Hi, it's Jenny.
And Daniel.
Today we are starting off the holiday season at the Disneyland Resort 2022, and we are letting you know which things you can't miss if you are visiting this year.
That's right. What is it, Jack?
It's Christmas!
That's right, it's Christmas time, so we're going to share our top 6 experiences you can't miss this year at the Disneyland Resort.
The first thing that you absolutely cannot miss if you're visiting during the holiday season is It's a Small World holiday. During this special holiday overlay, everything on the attraction is decked out from the exterior of the ride to the interior. Even the music has changed, although you still will hear a little bit of the original classic It's a Small World.
Be sure to check the official event schedule on the Disneyland app. Each night, they light up the exterior facade at sunset, give or take, and it's a beautiful sight you don't want to miss. Also, several times every night, they do a fun projection show on the facade that you won't want to miss. Next up on our list, you won't want to miss a Christmas Fantasy Parade. This parade has been showing for many years at the Disneyland Resort, and it's become a timeless classic here with a catchy tune that you'll be singing along to for the rest of the day after you see the show.
This parade is really unique in that it features all of the characters from nearly every aspect of Disney. There are the classics of Mickey, Minnie, and Friends. You'll also see characters from Toy Story. You will see the princesses with their princes, which is a little bit rare. And you'll also find Santa himself with his reindeer guiding his sleigh.
To really take in the full experience of a Christmas Fantasy Parade, we suggest viewing it after sunset. There's 2 showings every day. One is usually in the early afternoon and one is after the sun goes down, and everything all lit up is just amazing and beautiful. For the best viewing spots for the parade, we suggest lining up early on Main Street, or finding a spot near the train station at Town Square, or from the stands right across from the It's a Small World attraction.
Everyone likes to stay to watch the fireworks at Disneyland, but did you also know that there is a special show in the evening called Wintertime Enchantment at Sleeping Beauty's Winter Castle? During this brief show, it will actually snow in front of the castle and on Main Street. And the castle itself is transformed with beautiful sparkling lights and music.
This happens each night after sunset, and there are 2 separate showings. Each one is a little bit different.
You can stand right in front of Sleeping Beauty Castle to view the show, or you can also stand further back all the way up on Main Street in between the shops, and you'll see some beautiful projections as well as lots of fake snow. This is a great option for families coming with younger kids who can't stay up late all the way to the fireworks, but still want to have a special way to end the day.
Let's move over to Disney California Adventure Park for our favorite things to do there during the holiday season. First up is the Viva Navidad show with multiple showings every day in Paradise Gardens Park. This is a fun, cute musical show featuring Donald and the 3 Caballeros, as well as classic Christmas music that you won't want to miss.
This performance is a celebration of holiday traditions from Mexico and Brazil, and includes mariachis, traditional folklorico dancers, Brazilian samba dancers, drummers, and much, much more. This is a really high energy show, and we highly recommend it, especially if you are visiting with kids.
And pro tip, if you do have kids that are watching the show with you, they shoot off confetti at the end, and kids love to run around and collect it after the show is over.
Another can't miss event during the holidays is the Festival of Holidays food booth. You can find these booths throughout Disney California Adventure, and you can even purchase a special Sip and Savor Pass, which will give you a discounted price if you're purchasing multiple items from different booths.
In the past, some of our favorite food booth items are the hot buttered rum, which is amazingly rich and delicious for the grown-ups in the group. The braised pork belly adobo with garlic fried rice, and their special holiday stuffing mac and cheese, which is a delicious homemade style mac and cheese with stuffing. It's very rich, delicious, filling, and really fun way to celebrate the holiday season at the Disneyland Resort.
Most of the items in these booths come in smaller tasting sized portions, but they do tend to be pretty heavy and rich and filling overall, so we highly recommend checking them out and finding your new favorite holiday treat.
And last at Disney California Adventure, but certainly not least, it's visiting Santa at Redwood Creek Challenge Trail. Every year they take Redwood Creek Challenge Trail and decorate it for the holidays with holly and wreaths and bells all throughout.
The Redwood Creek Challenge Trail is a fun outdoor obstacle course of sorts with lots of different physical activities and challenges that will help your little ones get all of their energy out. During this time, everything has been transformed with new decorations and holiday theming, including the slides, rope bridges, and more.
Most importantly, this is where you can meet Santa inside Disney California Adventure. The line does get very long at times, so we strongly encourage you to get there first thing in the morning when Redwood Creek Challenge Trail opens. Make sure to check what time it opens in the app.
Every year, this is the best experience that we have with meeting Santa at the parks. And part of that is because you will meet Santa's elves as you're waiting in line. And these cast members are always so friendly and helpful and kind, and they spend a lot of extra time keeping the kids happy while they're waiting. You can even sign into Santa's guest book while you're waiting in line. Santa is always thoughtful and spends as much time as each child wants to spend talking about their wish list and whatever else that they want to share. There is also a PhotoPass photographer available when you meet with Santa, so hopefully you can get some great family photos.
Another hidden gem about the Redwood Creek Challenge Trail and meeting Santa is that they have a cookie booth where you can decorate your own cookies. It's always fun to decorate cookies and then eat them. You always have leftover frosting that you can eat, which gives you more energy to run around the challenge trail, whether you're a grown-up or a kid. That does it for our list of can't miss items at the Disneyland Resort for the holidays in 2022.
There are so many unique experiences that are available only during the holidays at the Disneyland Resort, so we'll be sure to share as many of them as we can in our future videos coming up. Be sure to subscribe so that you can keep watching.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up.
And we hope that we put you in a magical mood.